I'm short 72, 75. Tried to take a long off there, but very, very tight leash. Um, 3/4 of a point loss. But today's profile is just, I mean, it's got the classic P shape, poor low. Yesterday's low, Globex weekly high right here, overnight low. All of this stuff is playing into this short. Um, got an unclosed gap below us, but I mean, just very painfully slow and grinding day. I had a trade earlier right here where I entered, sat in it for over an hour. Felt real good about the read. As soon as I exited, boom, sold off. Just took a point on that one. But this is right here is just frustrating me because we can't. They keep knocking on this door all night long. They defended this area several times. Being that it's the Globex weekly high, I would say there's some stops below there, and I'm hoping that we can get those elected. The Nasdaq's just hitting the dirt, so I'm hoping we're going to drag, and Russell too. So I'm hoping that's going to drag us down along with it. VIX is just through the roof, just hit 14 from 13.6 within the last hour. So we're going to hope that this is going to be it. Alright, we just had a new period open up, and it looks like I got a tremendous amount of hope that we're going to hit it this time and actually get down there and pull in some new selling, and just get them stops that I suspect there's some stops below here. But man, if it's not being defended tremendously, I don't know what it is. Nicey Ticks just has been coming off since about 9 a.m. Pacific time, gradually getting lower and lower. All the indices are hitting their lows. VIX is continually rising. I think it's just a matter of time before we get this here. So board low, double TPO print, one time framing lower technically on our fourth period. So this could be a pretty, I would assume, a pretty decent rip if we can get below the low of the day, this yellow line, and which happens to be the overnight low. Come on, got 46 contracts on that 71.25 print right now. I need to get some more information, more participation here. This is not it. I really don't. God, it's got a pro bar down there. That's not cool. Unless that's them getting short and they want to step on this and sell it. But I've had a 574 lot go off at 72. So the fact that we're below 72, 574 long lot go off. We're below 72. That guy's probably sweating bullets right now. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Don't stop there. Don't stop there, man. The fact that these sine waves are just basically going sideways, this tells me that we're possibly in the beginning of a trend. When they don't cross like that, that identifies a potential trend. So hopefully based on the profiles being so fat yesterday, not much movement today, we couldn't get it much higher at all. Is either right here, got a gap below us that's yet to be closed right here in this area. Got a lot of long inventory over the last few days being held. Yeah, I don't like that right there. Well, this is either going to work or I'm going to get taken out. Break even. I'm not risking anymore today. That was an up bar. This blue bar here is up bar, so I would assume that that's them. Pros taking up short positions. Better momentum flipped around. This is good. We're coming off there. Cumulative delta. Look at this. In the dirt. So let's hope price follows that. I don't like how we're coming off them. All we did was look below there and nothing. Just incredible, man. Okay, another 370 lot just went off at 72. A long. I would assume that's the same guy. I would drag the chart down here after we get out of this mess. But the fact that they're trying to take it up and price isn't reacting to that, I like that. Okay, come on. Step on it. Come on. Let this be it, man. Get it done, and let's be done for the week. Come on. I mean, if there's stops on there, they haven't hit them yet. I mean, I don't. It's just an obvious spot where there should be quite a few stops there. I mean, we're just like one ticking and then popping back up, one tick lower, pop back up. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Come on. Man, definitely 70.25. Alright, we are coming off. There's not really. I thought there was going to be some more stops down there, but I guess not. VIX is just through the roof, so that's helping this move. All the indices are Nasdaq's just hit the dirt again, so this is good. Being Friday, option expiration. Hopefully, these guys selling premium on puts. Hopefully, they're starting to sweat a little bit. Look at this though. This is awesome. Right there, boom. Just really tearing into it. In terms of a stop, I'm not exactly sure. 68.50 maybe. $68.75 is my stop right there. Target right there. Cumulative delta is really coming off. Still, shorts are getting paid. So, very, very good. And we're just fumbling around this POC from a couple days ago. So very nice right there. And then the fact that these sine waves are still going sideways, that's definitely a good sign of beginnings of a trend. There we go. Dow, Nasdaq, Russell hitting the dirt. VIX is through the roof. Nicey ticks coming off very hard. All of this stuff is supporting me being in this trade. This is paying off very well for me right now. Got some absorption going on these lows here. See that 3200? Just can't push past her right now. So hopefully, it's just a momentary pause. So I just got out 2 points. It was struggling to take it lower, and something I didn't really like noticing was that this amount of selling couldn't get much more below that, and then now we got some delta momentum flipping up, and there were several attempts to try to get it lower again, but they couldn't. I saw a little surge in volume, in terms of delta momentum to the upside, and Nicey Tick was starting to get a decent read. So I didn't feel right being in there any longer. So plus, I'm starting to see a little bit of strength on this as well. So I don't know. With today being as slow and grindy as it is, I'm okay with taking. I mean, I wanted to sit in it, but it just didn't look like it was gonna. I've already sat in a trade for well over an hour, and it was a loss, but a good one. At any rate, there we have it. Out for two.